Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the Mons process, refining of nickel in the vapor base method. Okay, actually Mons process are made for the refining of nickel, and this method, this is the vapor base method. In the vapor base method, now we are going to refine the metal. Refine the metal means you have two condition. Okay, so now you are going to see the first step. This is the principle of Mons process. Now we are going to take the metal. So the metal react with the suitable reagent. It must form the volatile compound of the metal. In the first step, it must form the volatile compound. The volatile means they easily form the vapor state. So this is called the vapor base method. If the metal react with the suitable reagent, it does not form any volatile compound, it is not suitable for the vapor base method. Okay, this is the first step. Now we are going to see the second step. The volatile compound, again heating or decomposing, changes into pure metal. This is the principle of vapor base method. So now we are going to see the example of refining of nickel. Okay, so now we are going to take the impure nickel. So impure nickel react with the suitable reagent. Suitable reagent means you are going to react with the suitable reagent is carbon monoxide is a suitable reagent. So react with the 350 Kelvin. It is the form highly volatile nickel tetracarbonyl is formed. The solid impurities are left behind. Okay, now we are going to see the equation. Okay, impure nickel. So nickel is the solid state. So impure nickel is the solid state. So it's a react with the carbon monoxide. Formula is CO. Already you know carbon monoxide is the gaseous state. Gaseous state, it react with the 350 Kelvin. React with 350 Kelvin. The carbon nickel react with the carbon monoxide to form nickel tetracarbonyl. Nickel tetra means so 4. Tetra means 4. So 4 carbonyls or tetracarbonyls are formed. Okay, this is the first step. Now we are going to react with the nickel tetracarbonyl. So again you are going to, this is the highly volatile liquid. It is the vapor base. So it is the state is gaseous state. So this is also gaseous state, which is in the gaseous state. It is again heated at the 460 Kelvin. It forms the nickel. So decompose means break the compound. Break the compound. It forms the nickel and carbonyls. Okay, here you have 4 carbon monoxide. So you are going to balance here also 4. Here you have 4 carbonyls. Here now you write the 4 here. Okay, this is the pure form. Here this is the solid state. The carbon monoxide is also the gaseous state. The nickel is the, here nickel is impure nickel. So impure nickel, here nickel is pure nickel. The solid impurities are left behind. Okay, this is the Mons process. Process method to refining of nickel. Okay, this is a very easy and important topic. You concentrate this topic. Okay, thank you, student.